Hello friends, as I told with you earlier in my video, now I made a video in English. This is a trial version. I made this video about oils and fats. So, what are oils and fats? Usually, oils and fats are triglycerides, or called as also glycerol esters of fatty acids. How oil is formed? When one glycerol molecule reacts with three fatty acid molecules, one molecule of triglycerol plus three molecules of water is formed. This reaction is called as esterification. So the product, which is triglycerol, is oil or fat when this triglycerol is liquid at room temperature or at ambient temperature. This triglycerol is known as oil. When this triglycerol is solid or semi-solid at room temperature, it is a fat. Usually the fats are more present in vegetable rather than in vegetables, in animal fats, and also in milk fats of the animals. So now we understood that glycerol plus fatty acids, when combined, oils and fats are formed. So what is this glycerol? First let me know. Glycerol is an alcohol. So this alcohols, what they contains at their chain end is one hydroxy group, OH. This OH is called as a hydroxy group. The remaining is carbohydrate chain. So a alcohol which contains only one OH hydroxy group is known as the monoalcohol. So for example, for monoalcohols, you take this methanol. This methanol contains only one OH group at its hydrocarbon chain end, CH3OH. Like that, ethanol or ethyl alcohol, it contains also only one OH group, mono group. This is CH3, CH twice, and OH. Such kind of alcohols which contains only one OH at their chain end are known as monohydroxy alcohols. And what about the glycerol? Glycerol is a polyhydroxy alcohol. Why? Because this glycerol contains three OH, three hydroxy groups. You can here see, I am showing here it is 1, 2, 3. It contains three hydroxy groups. So the glycerol contains three hydroxy groups. So it can react simultaneously with three other compounds or chemicals. So here in our esterification reaction, this one molecule of glycerol is reacting with three molecules of fatty acids, and thus oils or fats are formed. So then what is the fatty acid? We have to know. Actually, fatty acids are also organic substances. Otherwise they can say also as a hydrocarbon substances. This fatty acid is also known as the carbolic acid because it contains carbolic group at the end of its hydrocarbon chain. This is the what I was showing in red color, COOH. It is called a carbohydrate group. Is C have double bond with one oxygen and single bond with other OH group. The remaining is react with the other carbon in the group. Here below I given the formula of a butyric acid. The butyric acid is a fatty acid and it contains 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is a saturated for fatty acid. Why it is a saturated fatty acid? I will tell you later. Here you see CH3. This first one is methyl group. Next is called CH twice, CH2 and CH2. It is 2 times 2. Last one is carbohydrate group, COH. Carbon between carbon is one double bond. This is OH. and H. Total 1, 2, 3, 4. One carbon makes 4 bonds with the other substance. You see, first carbon, hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 3. Fourth bond is with carbon. Again, this carbon you see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Carbon reacts simultaneously with 4 other substances or terms or chemicals. So here this is the butyric acid, it is saturated fatty acids. You can, when you observe here, the fatty acid have addition COOH. This OH, please kindly note it, it is OH. When you go back and you see the glycerol, it also contains hydroxy group at its chain end. These hydroxy groups, the carboxyl group, make an important role in the formation of oils and fats in esterification reaction. I will show it at the end of this video. So butyric acid is a saturated fatty acid. Why? Because as I shown earlier, there is no double bond between two carbon to carbon. Here it is, double bond is between two carbon and hydrogen. But carbon to carbon, there is no double bond. Such fatty acids which don't have any double bond between the carbon of the chain, fatty acid chain, that is also known as the saturated fatty acid. So here below I have given certain saturated fatty acids which are generally present in milk fats, at the same time in vegetable oils. Such kind of fatty acids present in oils are they known as the even number fatty acids, means they are in equal number 6, 8, 10, 2. There is a 2 carbons difference is there. It is not an odd number. It is not a C7. It is a C6 and C6. The difference is 2. All are in even number. That is why if saturated fatty acids or unsaturated fatty acids, most of the fatty acids with even number, but some fatty acids may be odd number. Here you see capric acid. It is a saturated fatty acid. It contains 6 carbons and no double bond. Next, caprylic acid, C8. C8 means 8 carbons, no double bond. Caprylic acid, 10 carbons, no double bond. Lauric acid, 12 carbons, no double bond. Malic acid, 14 carbons, no double bond. Palmitic acid, 16 carbons, no double bond. Stearic acid, 18 carbons, no double bond. Some common and unsaturated fatty acids which are present abundantly in our oils are oleic acid. It also have 18 carbons like stearic acid, but stearic acid no double bond. Here, oleic acid have 1 double bond. That is at between 9th and 10th carbon. You see CH3, first carbon, CH2 7 times 7 plus 1, 8, 9. The double bond is between 9 and 10. Again, the linoleic acid have 18 carbons, you see, and have 2 double bonds. One is at between 9 and 10, another is between 15 and 16. Linoleic acid, it has C carbons, 18 carbons, but 3 double bonds, 9, 15 and 12. When you count from this last band, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon from this one. This is omega-3 fatty acid. That is why we say it is from this methyl group. So from methyl group, and if we count this one, first, second, third, that is why it is as known as omega. Here also I have, by mistake I told it, this is the 9th and 10th, 12th and 13th. So this is like this. This is 9th, 7, 8, 9, between 9, 12, 9, 12 and 15 carbons between the double bonds are there. How the esterification takes place? Here we have given a small formula. Please see here. This is glycerol. 1, 2, 3 groups is there. Here 3 fatty acids. They may be same fatty acid, different fatty acid. Here odd is hydrocarbon chain. Depend folic acid means it contains 18 carbons. Lauric acid means it only contains 12 carbons. If it is myristic like that, it will be changed 14 carbons. Here COOH at the end of this one contains COOH. So OH from the glycerol and H from the fatty acid when combined, that turns into H2O water. So 1, 2, 3. 3 molecules of water formed and 1 molecule of triglyceride is formed. Like that, the oil is formed. Okay friends, this is a brief description how oils are formed, how a reaction takes place between glycerol and fatty acid. After viewing this video, please give your comments. Depending on your comments, I decide whether I have to continue making the videos or upload only text videos. Why? Because if you are not following my English properly or I am not able to make it clearly understandable to you, then better to go to text videos. So please give your opinion, comments after viewing this video. Thank you all the friends. Bye.